Okay, we're at one of the railroad trestles right here. And very high tide, so I'll show you. If I can just get over here. Usually the water is not this high. Now if I fall in, this thing's waterproof, so I'm all set. Wow, look how high this is. It's never this high. Wow. This is the... Usually it passes underneath this, and as you can see, it's catching all the stuff. And we got a little swirl going on right here. And usually it's further out. So, yes, very high tide. Just to give you, there's the windmills. And it's very high. And maybe I'll pass over to the other side and I'll show you what that looks like. I'll point this down so I can see where I'm going. And this would be the other side. Again, this is the trestle there. These are no longer used. These are old. And alright, so we're passing over to the other side, and this is the other side. Very high tide, very high tide. This is unusual. And usually, whoa. Alright, see, very high. And also on this side, you can see where usually you can travel underneath this bridge, and there's no way you're going to do that. And as you can see, it comes right up to here. Alright, that's about it. See, there's a sewer pipe. The sewage goes right there. And that's it. Alright, thank you for watching.